Welcome friends. Today we are going to learn bridge course of day 35. So let's start. I am sharing the PPT. PPT दिसते का रे सर्वांना? PPT दिसते का? हाँ?
हो सर.
दिसते ना?
हो सर दिसते.
दिसते ना आता?
हो सर.
ओके. So welcome to all of you in my class at Sri Saraswati Bhuvan High School, Jalna. I am Mr. Khire Yasvi. Today we are going to study about bridge course of Standard 9 subject Maths 1-2 for day 35. Our today's topic is linear equations in one variable. Linear equations in one variable. We will take an example for this. First example is, if product of one number and 6 is 30, then find the number. If product of one number and 6 is 30, then find the number. Means multiplication of number and 6 is 30. Then you have to find out the number. Second example, can you tell me the number? Suppose that number is x. X into 6 is equal to 30. Means x is equal to 30 divided by 6. Then we will get 6 5 is 30. Therefore value of x is 5. Means the number is 5. Second example is 8 times of a number is 40. And find that number. 8 times of a number. We know the number. We don't know the number. Suppose number is y. And 8 times the number. Means 8 into y is equal to 40. Therefore y is equal to 40 divided by 8. Then we will get 8 5 is 40. Again y is equal to 5. Therefore the number is 5. Answer of first example, 6x. Our equation is 6x is equal to 30. That is x is equal to this 6 into x is there. Into x goes to RHS side, it will become upon x, 30 divided by x, in dividing both sides by 6. Then we get value of x is equal to 6 5 is 30. Therefore x is equal to 5. Therefore the required number is 5. Similarly, I have already told you 8y is equal to 40. Second example, 8y is equal to 40 means y is equal to 40 divided by 8. Now dividing both sides by 8, then we will get y is equal to 5. 8 5 is 40. Therefore the required number is 5. Now solve the following equations and get the value of the variable. Solve the equations and get the values. This 7x is equal to 35. This is the equation. Therefore, x is equal to 7 into 7 is there, into 7 goes to RHS side, it will become upon 7, means x is equal to 35 upon 7. Divide 35 by 7, then we will get 7 5s are 35. Therefore, value of x is 5. Second example, similarly we can solve second example. 5x is equal to 45. X is equal to 45 divided by dash dash, that is, you can write in box. This 5 goes to RHS side, therefore it will become 45 upon 5. Then we will get value of x as divide 45 by 5. Then we get 5 9s are 45. Therefore, value of x is equal to 5 9s are 45. Therefore, value of x is 9. Okay. Next is 12y is equal to 96. The equation is given 12y is equal to 96. Therefore, again same example is there, only values are changed. This into 12 goes to RHS side, it will become upon 12. Means y is equal to 96 upon 12. In first box write down 96 upon or divided by 12. Divide 96 by 12. Then you will get 12 8s are 96. Therefore, y is equal to 8. Value of y is 8. Next example, 9x is equal to 180. Now you have to solve this example like above 3 examples as already solved. Similarly, example number 5, 18y is equal to 144. You have to solve this also. Next question is, observe the solved equation and solve the remaining equations accordingly. Now, first example is 3 upon 7 is equal to x upon 21. The equation is given. You have to solve this equation and find the value of x. How can we solve this? By cross multiplication. 3 into 21 is equal to x into 7. Then you will get 3 into 21. This into 7 goes to LHS side. It will become upon 7. 3 into 21 upon 7 is equal to x. Now we have to find out the value of x. Then we will get x is equal to this, divide 21 by 7. 7 1s are 7. 7 3s are 21. Then we will get 3 into 3. Now dividing 21 by 7, we get this, and after multiplying 3 by 3, then we will get 3 3s are 9. Therefore, value of x is 9. Next example is 5 upon 8 is equal to, second example, 5 upon 8 is equal to x upon 48. 5 into 48 is equal to, cross multiplication again, 5 into 48 is equal to x into 8. Write down 8 in this box. Again 5 into 48 into 8 goes to LHS side, it will become upon 8. 5 into 48 divided by 8 is equal to x. Then we divide 48 by 8. 8 6 are 48. Therefore we will get x is equal to 5 into 6. And 5 6 are 30. Therefore value of x is 30. Third example, 2 upon 5 is equal to 14 upon x. Again cross multiplication, 2 into x is equal to 14 into 5. And we will get 14 into 5 divided by 2. Into 2 goes to RHS side, it will become upon 2. Now divide 2 by 14 by 2. 2 7s are 14. And 7 into 5 is 7 5s are 35. Therefore, x is equal to 35. Fourth example, 5 upon 7 is equal to 15 upon y. Means 5 into y is equal to 15 into 7. 15 into 7. And y is equal to 15 into 7 divided by 5 into 5 goes to RHS side. It will become upon 5. Then 5 3s are 15 and 3 7s are 3 into 7 is here. Y is equal to 3 into 7. Then we will get y is equal to 3 7s are 21. Value of y is 21. Exercise for day 35 or homework for day 35 is solve the following examples. First example, 7 upon 6 is equal to x upon 30. 7 upon 6 is equal to x upon 30. We have to solve these examples as above. 4 upon 9 is equal to y upon 63. Second example, find the value of y here by cross multiplication. Then 3 upon 8 is equal to 18 upon x. 3 upon 8 is equal to 18 upon x. Fourth is 4 upon 8 is equal to 24 upon y. 4 upon 8 is equal to 24 upon y. Solve this homework in your maths notebook. So thank you very much to all of you. Now we are going to take PPT for next day also, 36. We have time. Therefore, we are going to take bridge course for day 36. Okay? I am sharing a PPT for that.
होस्ट इकडून झालेली ना इकडून बंद करा वाटतं मग तो होस्ट होईल मी इकडून नंतर जॉईन केला ना त्यांच्यानंतर हे दोन कॅमेरे कशा आहेत दोन दोन कॅमेरे कशा आहेत
ते एक राहते. Welcome in my class. Now we will see bridge course of standard 9 subject maths 1-2 for day 36. And today's topic for 36, day 36 is direct variation and inverse variation. Direct variation and inverse variation. You know variation. There are two types of variations. First is direct variation and second is inverse variation. These are types of variations. Now we will see, complete the following table. By using some examples we will see these two variations. For example, if x is directly proportional to y, Then some values of x and y are given. Value of x is equal to 1, then value of y is 8. If value of x is 4, then value of y is 32. Now value of y is 56. If value of y is 56, then find the value of x. Now in this box you have to find out the value of x. Similarly, last example is x, value of x is 12, it is given. You have to find out the value of y in this box by using examples. Okay. Similarly, this is direct variation, and this is second example is of inverse variation. If A is inversely proportional to B, that is A is proportional to 1 upon B, then again find the value of A and B. If A and B are given, value of A is 20, B is 6. If value of A is 12, then value of B is 10. If value of A is 60, then find the value of B here. Similarly, if value of B is given, it is 40, then find the value of A in this box. And complete the boxes by using appropriate numbers, correct answers. Okay. Now we will see some important points in these two types of variations. If there is direct variation between x and y, then symbolically it is written as x is directly proportional to y, and x upon y is equal to constant. Constant is k. Value of constant is k. Similarly, if there is inverse variation between A and B, then it can be written symbolically as A is proportional to 1 upon B, or A is inversely proportional to B, and A into B means A into B is equal to constant. Constant is k. Now in the first example, x upon y is equal to 1 upon 8. In first example, we have seen x upon y means value of x is 1, it is given, value of y is 8. X upon y is equal to 1 upon 8. And in the second example, A into B is equal to 120. That is, value of A and B are given, multiplication of those two numbers is 120 are the constants. Now try to understand the following solve examples. We will take some examples. Try to understand these examples. First example is m is directly proportional to n. If n is equal to 7, when m is equal to 154, then find m if n is equal to 40. Now we will solve this example. Solution of this example is m is directly proportional to n. It is given. It means m is equal to kn, because k is constant of variation, k into n, or m upon n is equal to k, means m is equal to k into n. Now put the values. Value of m is given 154. Is 154 is equal to k into value of n is 7. This is given. We have to find out the value of k. Now k is equal to 154. This into 7 goes to LHS side or RHS side. It will become upon 7. Then we will get k is equal to 154 divided by 7. Now dividing both sides by 7, then we get value of k. That is 7 to the 14 and again 7 to the 14. Therefore value of k is 22. Now equation of variation is m is equal to kn. M is equal to kn. Now put the value of k only. M is equal to 22 into n. This is equation of variation. Now n is equal to 14 is given in question or example. N is equal to 14 is given. We have to find out the value of m. Now put n is equal to 14 in equation 1. This equation. Put the value of n is equal to 14. then we will get m is equal to 22 into value of n is 14. 22 into 14 is multiplication of these two numbers, 22 into 14, 14 2s are 28, 8 carry 2, 14 2s are 28 plus 2 30, that is 308. Therefore value of m is 308. We have seen example of direct variation. Now we will see example of inverse variation. A is inversely proportional to B. A is inversely proportional to B. If value of B is 3 when A is equal to 40, then find value of B . 1. Find B when value of A is 50. Solution of this is A is inversely proportional to B, that is A is proportional to 1 upon B. Therefore A is equal to K into 1 upon B. K is constant of variation. Now A into B is equal to K. This B goes to LHS side, it will become into. Then K is equal to 40 into 3 value, because value, put the values of A and B here. 40 into 3 is 43 is the 120. Therefore value of K is 120. It is constant value. Now the equation of variation will become A into B is equal to 120. It is value of K 120. A into B is equal to 120. Now if A is equal to 15 is given, we have to find out the value of B. Put this value of A is equal to 15 in equation 1. Then we will get 15 into B here. A into B, that is value of A is 15. 15 into B is equal to 120. Then we will get B is equal to 120 divided by 15. Now dividing both sides by 15, then we will get value of B is 15. 8 is 120. Therefore B is equal to 8. Okay. Similarly, you can solve another examples. Now we will see homework or exercise for day 36. Solve the following examples. First example is, if m is directly proportional to n, then if value of m and values of m and n are given, find some another values. If m is equal to 2, then n is equal to 10. If m is equal to 5, then find n. Find the value of n in this box. If n is equal to 60, then find the value of m here. If m is equal to 18, then find the value of n in this box. Okay. Second example is, if x is inversely proportional to y, that is x is proportional to 1 upon y, then x values of x and y are given. If value of x is 4, then value of y is 25. Now if x is equal to 5, then find the value of y in this box. Write the correct answer. Y is equal to 10, then find the value of x in second box. If value of x is 50, then find the value of y here. And complete this box by using correct answers. Solve these all examples as we have seen above. Okay? You have to solve these two exercises. So thank you very much. So please do your homework in maths notebook, complete your notebook. Okay? Thank you very much. Please subscribe my channel, like and share my videos. Thank you.